children, today I start class 2nd English NCERT book, page number 96, unit 6, page number 96, unit 6, Curly Locks and the Three Bears. See here, first I read the lesson. This is one story about three bears. See here, Curly Locks and Three Bears. First I read the lesson. Just you see, once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Curly Locks. One day she went into the forest near her house. She saw a cottage. See here, she is a girl. Her name is Curly Locks. She has curly hair. See there, curly. These hairs are very looking curly. No, these curly means arranged in curls or rolls. These are curly hairs. She has curly hairs. Her name is Curly Locks. One day she went into the forest. She went into the forest near her house. She saw there one cottage. Is anybody in? She asked. And also she went into the cottage and asked, is anybody is there? There was nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. In that cottage, bear family lived. They had gone for a walk, but they are gone for a walk. Three bears are gone for a walk. Curly Locks went in. She wanted to see who lived there. And after she went inside the cottage and she see there nobody is there. She saw three bowls of porridge on the table. But she saw there is a porridge. Porridge means cereal boiled in water. Bowl means a small, a round, deep dish is called bowl. She saw three bowls of porridge on the dining table. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear. One is big, that is for Papa Bear. And next see the middle size bowl for Mama Bear and a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. See there, three bowls are there. The big one is Papa Bear, Papa's ball, and middle size ball is her mother's dear's mother's ball, and small one is Baby Bear's ball. Curly Locks was hungry, but when she enters the cottage, she saw the porridge. She too hungry. That time she ate the porridge from the big bowl. See, she ate the Papa Bear's ball porridge from the big bowl. It was very hot. That was very hot. Papa Bear's porridge was very hot. She ate from the middle size bowl. Next she ate middle size bowl porridge. It was too cold. That was cold. She ate from the tiny little bowl. Last she ate tiny small bowl, that is for Baby Bear's bowl. It was just right. Not hot and not cold. Curly Locks ate up all the porridge. She ate all the porridge. All porridge she ate. Then she went to the bedroom. After she went into the bedroom, there was a big bed for a Papa Bear, a middle sized bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bed for Baby Bear. In the bedroom there is a three beds are there. One is Papa Bear's and one is mother's and one is Baby Bear's. Baby Bear's bed was small. The big bed was very. Can we go next page? Very hard. Papa Bear's bed was very hard. The middle size bed was too soft. Her mother's bed was too soft, but the tiny little bed was just right. But the small bed is just right. That is not hard and not soft. That is just right. That's why Curly likes fell asleep in the tiny little bed. That's why she sleep on a tiny little bed. The bear family came back. After that time, after the bear family, after walking, they went come back from walk to the cottage. Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Papa Bear scolded and shouted and said, "Somebody ate my porridge." Some then somebody ate my porridge too. Her mother also said, "My porridge also ate someone." Then somebody finished all my porridge, said baby bear, and also small bear also said, "My porridge also finished." See, somebody ate. The bear family went to the bedroom. Then, after they went into the bedroom, somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Somebody slept in my bed too, said Mama Bear. And somebody is sleeping in my bed, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. Curly Locks woke up. Then they all together shouted. She heard that and she get up. She saw the three bears. She jumped down and ran out of the cottage. When she saw that bears, she shocked and jumped from the bed and she ran out from the cottage as fast as she could. This is a small story. This story is adapted from Goldilocks and the Three Bears. See there, here are some new words. You just read and learn this lesson, okay? Curly, cottage, bowl, porridge, hungry. See here, curly means arranged in curls or rows. Cottage means small house. Bowl means a round deep dish. Porridge means cereal boiled in water. Next, hungry. Hungry means need for food. Okay, can we go next page? Yes. See here, let's read. My sister's hair is soft and curly. When I am hungry, I eat a lot. Hungry and curly. See there. Reading is fun. Here some questions. See, who lived in the cottage in the forest? What did Curly Locks see on the table? Why did she eat up all the porridge from Baby Bear's bowl? Then whose bed did Curly Locks sleep in and why? These question answers I'll send in your WhatsApp. Next, see there. Let's talk. Have you ever seen a forest? What did you see there? If you see the forest means what are the animals you see there? Just you discuss with your friends. There is a plate of sweets laying on the table. You want to eat some sweets. What will you do? Then name a few things that you eat from a bowl. What do you call a bowl in your language? Just you discuss with your friends. Can we go next page? Yes. Let's act. This is the act. Pretend that you are Curly Locks. Tell your friends what happened to you when you went into the bear's cottage. You can say the story first in your own language and then in English. Begin like this. You do acting. I am a Curly Locks. I have curly hair. One day I went for walking. Like this way, you have to build one story in your own language. Then after in English, you have tried this one. Okay, let's write next. See there, the bear family. First one, Papa Bear, Mama Bear, Baby Bear. Bring pictures of your family members like this. You have to collect your family members picture and take some chart paper, write on it my family, then stick picture of your family members and write their names. Use Mr. or and Mrs. for elder people and write this is me. In near your photo you have to write there this is me. Stick your picture under it and write your name. Okay, this is activity you do yourself. Can we go next page? Yes. See here, the words curly and hungry tell us about curly locks. Can you find some more words which describe the bears? Now form them into sentence of your own. See here some more words. Protective. First one, protective, caring, confident, large, strong, brave, talkative, soft spoken, curious and cuddle. See there, I say one sentence using the caring word. The word caring is there, no? The Papa Bears is a very caring father. And also the bears are large in size. I use this word, large. The bears are large in size. Like that you have to use these words and make a sentence. Okay. After here write 5 lines on my family. This is write your family, about your family here. Okay. Do yourself. Next let's listen and enjoy. A sailor went to sea to see what he could see. But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. See here SEA and SEE. Here lot of difference. SEA means ocean, like samudra anta hai this, and CEE means see nododu. Here both are lot of difference. Okay, make a sentence with sea and sea, tail and tail. Here I write, see there, the sea water is salty. The sea water is salty. Next one, I cannot see clearly. I cannot see clearly. My dog's tail got hurt while playing. Dog's tail bala anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. My grandmother read me a tale of the fairy and her dreams tonight. You have to write this one. Okay. After class I will take send photo. Shall we go next page? Yes. Here in the next page, see there, the bear family went for a walk before dinner. Somebody came in, look at what they did. See here, this is the dining table. They put there some fruits, isn't it? Can you see? Ball is there, water bottle is there, glass is there, plate. Okay, write about all the things kept in the wrong place. Here they kept wrong place. See there, a ball, where they kept, the ball is kept on Papa Bear's plate. See there, this is wrong, isn't it? Yes. A flower is kept on Mama Bear's plate. See there, Mama Bear plate they kept flower. This is wrong. A plant is kept near Baby Bear's chair. See there, plant they kept Baby Bear's chair. This is wrong, isn't it? Yes. Next, what else do you see in the picture? I can see a kitten sitting on the chair. I can see the kitten is sitting on the chair. Then I can see rat. See there, I can see rat sitting on the fruit ball. This is wrong, isn't it? Like this way you have to, what are the wrong things are there, just you say. Okay children, today's classwork I will send in your WhatsApp group, and also you have to read and learn that story. Okay, thank you, bye.